In multifamily, first impressions lease faster. Your surfaces speak before you do. When your pool decks, entryways, and breezeways look great, it shows the property is well cared for and worth calling home. That's where SUNDEK comes in. We don't just resurface and repair the concrete, we reimagine it. You get beautiful results without the mess or downtime of a full tear out and with less maintenance year after year. It's not just about looks. Our slip-resistant finishes, ADA-compliant options, and hazard reduction systems help reduce accidents and liability. Whether you manage Class A or value-add communities, we've got systems that fit your vision and your budget. And with a team that has decades of national experience in multifamily sector, we understand the functional solutions tailored to you and your property is important. Your community deserves more than just plain concrete. It deserves surfaces that lease faster, last longer, and leave a lasting impression. That's the SUNDEK difference.